everybody. Today I want to talk to you about an app that I'm very proud of called QuestionAnswer. And it's an app that I created with the help of ChatGPT. And it's based off of Brett Terpstra's QuickQuestion application that he gives away for free on his website. And I believe it's right here. Yeah. So the issue with this app, when I was trying it, I installed it for Alfred. I didn't even get to the command line application, but I installed it for Alfred, and I could not get it to respond. So I would type the query, a question that's supposedly in my in my library of questions, but I would hit enter and nothing would happen. So I thought, why not create your own? And I did that with the help of ChatGPT. I always say GPT for some reason, but I did that. So this is the backstory of how I came about writing this application. A little not JavaScript, a little Bash script, and some prompts from two ChatGPT and viola. I have an application, and now I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, so let's say I want to ask a question that I always forget the answer to, so I wrote it as a question and answer pair. I would do QU, and let's say my son's birthday. Birthday. Question mark. Son's birthday, September 5th, 2018. And here's how you would write a question and answer pair. I would pull up Alfred again, and this time instead of QU as the trigger, I'm going to do QA. And I'm going to say, for example, birth city. So do birth city. Now, this is important. Put the question mark, and you do a space, and you do pipe, and then a space, and then the answer. And put Jeddah, KSA, for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This is how to create a question. And then it goes, files successfully created. And of course, because I wrote this program, I can change that prompt relatively easily. But yeah, that's how I created the Alfred question answer workflow. And the questions and answers are stored in my Google Drive library. This is the script right here. I'm not gonna show the script, but it will be available in my GitHub, so you can create your own questions and store them in whatever location you like. You could store them locally, or you can store them at a online storage location such as Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, OneDrive, whichever. You just have to write the path into the script. All right. So that's the Alfred workflow that I created using the script. Now, let me show you one more thing. I knew that Brett created a command line interface, so I thought it would be important for me to create one as well. So here's the command line interface. And do here, and I'm going to pull up the history. And here it says, I have a question as my name. So I have it set up as a command. Now I ask it a question, and I go, my name, and I just hit enter, and it says, my name, A.B. Anwar. I can do this again by typing QuickQuestion CLI, and in the command line interface you have to put the quotation marks around the question. So for this example, I'm going to type best basketball player. It's already typed it because I have a command completion plugin installed. So here's the question. Hit enter, and it says best basketball player, Michael Jordan. And there you go. That is the application that I created. The purpose of it was to create it for me, the purpose of it was to make an application that I wanted to try from Brett Terpstra. But when I installed his, like I said earlier in the video, I could not get his application to work on my Mac, Alfred. So I set about creating it on my own with the help of ChatGPT and a few prompts and many hours of trial and error. And this is what I have. Alright guys, well that's what I have for you today. I hope you like it. I hope you try out the application to set it up with your own question library, and hopefully it provides you with some benefits. Please like, subscribe, and comment on what you think of this app, and I'll see you all in the next video.